Good morning, dear class 7 students. Dear students, let us continue the fourth chapter, that is weather and climate. And today we will discuss about the measuring air pressure, wind speed and direction. So, because air has weight, it exerts a pressure on the earth's surface. So, since the air has weight means vajan, so it exerts a pressure on the earth's surface. At sea level, the pressure is about 1.03 kg or 760 millimeter of the mercury. The pressure varies with the temperature and altitude. Altitude means the height of the area, and the instrument that measures pressure is called the barometer. So barometer is basically used for measuring the air pressure as well as its speed. Air pressure is usually measured in a millibars. So air pressure actually is measured by millibar, and the air speed is specially measured by the barometer. There are two types of barometer, mercury and aneroid barometer. So let us discuss about the mercury barometer. So you could see the picture. It is a hollow tube from which the air is extracted before the opening and in the place in a bath of mercury. Then mercury is forced up to the tube by the pressure of the atmosphere on the mercury in the bath. Now when the pressure of the mercury in the tube balances the pressure of the air on the exposed mercury, the mercury in the tube stops rising. The height of the column of the mercury changes as air pressure changes. It rises when air pressure increases and falls when air pressure decreases. Now, aneroid barometer. It is a vacuum chamber in the form of small metal cylinder. Inside it, a strong metal spring prevents the chamber from collapsing. The spring contracts and expands with changes to atmospheric pressure. These changes are magnified by a series of levers, and the movement are conveyed to a pointer which moves across a calibrated scale. Now wind vane. It is used to indicate wind direction. So you have the picture of wind vane. It consists of a horizontal rotating arm pivoted on a vertical shift. The rotating arm has a tail at one end and the pointer at the other. When the wind blows, the arm swings until the pointer faces the wind. The direction northeast and southwest are marked on the arm, which are rigidly fixed to shift. So the speed of the wind is measured by a anemometer. Okay, so this is the anemometer which helps to measure the wind speed, which consists of 3 or 4 metal cups. These all are metal cups. 4 metal cups are there, and cups fixed to metal arms that rotates freely on a vertical shift. When there is a wind, the cups rotate, so cups moves like that. So in the circle it moves like that, and the stronger wind and the faster rotates. So according to the wind speed, these all metal cups also they make round. The number of rotations are recorded on a meter to give the speed of the wind in kilometer. Now we have the wind vane and the anemometer are placed well away from the buildings or trees. They may interfere with the free movement of air. So this wind vane is uh, erupted in the open place, not in the close to the buildings. Buildings may channel air through narrow passage between two buildings or decrease the flow of air by blocking its path. Trees have a similar effect. Now, isoids and stromas. Maps are generally used to represent different properties of Earth in a visual manner. Weather phenomena such as rainfall, temperature, and pressure changes can also be represented on a map. Such maps are called weather map. The rainfall recorded for a place, either for a day or for a week, month or a year, can be shown on a weather map. So rainfall which is recorded maybe before 1 week or month or 1 year, that can be easily shown in the weather map. This is done by using lines called isoids. As an isoid is a line on a map that joins area of equal rainfall. So this is called isoid. These are lines which are moving from west to east. Now, an strum is a line on a weather map that connects place with same temperatures at a given map. Each point on a isotherm corresponds to one temperature reading or an average of several readings over a period of time. So, dear students, this way we have completed the fourth chapter of geography, and then we will continue the new chapter in the next video class. And since we have completed this chapter, I'll be making question answers of this chapter and I'll send you in the PDF or in the WhatsApp. So thank you for today.